Hi everybody, welcome. Thank you for joining me. My name is Soraya. I have been so addicted in creating these gorgeous modified blooms. They are so much fun to do. I show you exactly what I do, so keep watching. Okay, so today I'm going to be using a 12-inch by 12-inch gallery wrap canvas that's 30 centimeters squared. And my base paint or pillow paint is just this Glidden Speed Pro. I made it fall on the other side. Oh lordy, not a good start. So fortunately I got past that mishap and I started putting down my colors. Now I mixed my colors myself and I forgot to write down what the colors were, so I don't have that information for you. So I'm gonna let the video run without commentary. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. I'd be happy to help you out. And here's the painting all dried up. It dried beautifully and you can see the shimmer there. You see that? Just gorgeous. I'm super happy with that. So I'm gonna be doing more of these because they're so much fun. Click on the link you see now to see more of my artwork. Join my Facebook group called SorayaSilvestriArtist, Amazing Abstracts, Semi-Abstracts and Pours. The link is in the description area below.